Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Chidi, and in today's video we will be exploring Photoshop's new generative fill feature. So in the image before you can see the before and after. We used that generative fill feature to generate an expansion of that image. So I'm going to take you over to Photoshop now and show you how I did this. Let's go. So this is the image we will be working with today. The first thing we will do is to go over to our crop tool, and we are going to expand that image to whatever size we would like it to be. Then we will go over to our rectangular selection tool, and we will select an area of that image, leaving behind some space that the AI will work with. So we are now going to invert that image by clicking on this button, and then we'll click on the generate button. Now we are just going to wait whilst the AI generates the fill for that image. So you can see the generated image. It looks pretty good, I must say. Usually there are three options that you can choose from in the pictures. So you have this option and then you have the other option, but I will just go for the first option here. So I want to do the same thing for the other side. So we will just repeat these steps, go for the crop tool and expand the image to what size we would like it to be. Go for the rectangular selection tool and select the area of the image we would like to expand, and then we will invert that selection and click on generate as well. So that is done now. You can see the generated image. You can check out the other options and choose whichever one you like the most. But that is pretty much it. I think this is a brilliant invention, and I think this is really cool to explore and just play around with, especially if you have backgrounds that are really small or cramped and you want to expand them and give them more space. I think this is really great for that. So now I'm just going to export that image, and then I'm just going to put the before and after so we can compare and just look at these two images and see how much of this generation or this generated fill that we created using this tool. Now this is with the Photoshop beta option. So if you are subscribed to the Creative Clouds, you can get this. I'll also put a link in the description box below for anyone who wants to explore or check it out. But yeah, that is it. This is our image, the before and the after. And I think, yeah, I think this did a pretty decent job, I must say so. And yes, it's almost accurate. It's almost accurate, or pretty much accurate, I would say. But yeah, that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. If you did, then please like this video, and thank you so much for being here. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and see you later.